Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Just the other day I did a video on that, and I stated in that video that these lines probably aren't all equal. And somebody asked me, well, how would you make them equal or easily make them equally? Couple ways you could do it. We could draw a 2-point line and put it on our line there. We've got snap tool on. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And then I'm going to move it here. Now, if we shift select both lines and go to Effects and Blend, and we're going to blend them 11 times, and then this way all the lines are equal. Every line is the same distance apart. So now what we can do to get those other lines, we can get a 2-point line and go from that node. Well, there's no node on this side, so we're going to hold down the control button till we get to that intersection. Now we can go from node to node. And then just take your Smart Fill tool and do every other line. Well, that didn't work out because you're going to have an odd amount of line. So let's back up here. Tell you what, let's leave those other two lines, but if we grab this, go to Object, break the blend apart, click it on again, go up to Object, Group, and ungroup it. Now we can take away these lines. By holding down the Alt key, you can select those inner lines and hit Delete. Now let's shift select that line, shift select that line, and let's go 12 this time. Hit Apply. Now our lines are still equal, but we can take the Smart Fill tool and do every other line, and then we'll have spaces between the lines. You can get rid of that line, hold down the Alt key. The Alt key, anything it touches, it's going to delete. And then you just take your Smart Fill tool and fill it in. And now these lines are the equal distance apart. And we can kind of prove that. If we take these, it's easier to do it while it's in line. Matter of fact, let's make all these line. Tell you what, let's just grab the whole thing, put no fill. Let's go ahead and do it in red. And if we grab the parallel dimension tool and we go from that node to that node, we've got 0.22. This square is 0.22. This line is 0.22. So everything is equally spaced out equally. Whoop, deleted all of them. Just let's delete our numbers. Parallel dimension tool is a really great way to do things. And then let's take that, like we did the other day, take a black box. It really makes it stand out. Go up to Object, or back a page. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.